Hi, my name's Tim Emmons, and this is my personal brand before and after. This is a final assignment for Comp 242. This is before I developed my personal brand resume and my resume. My resume before this course was dull. I had no idea how much a resume could be spiced up using properly placed bullet points, separator lines, and headings until taking this course. This was very important in the assignment that I'd done, and I made a big difference in my resume. My resume turned out real good. I had lots of compliments on it with the people I shared it with. As you can see here, here's my before resume. I had a couple bullet points, but it was just kind of dull, and it lists my certifications at the bottom. Didn't really emphasize much. Um, Here's my after. After is a lot more crisp and clean. Had a lot of underlines. Put my summary qualifications at the top and my certifications and skills and accomplishments. That's something I wanted to highlight along with my education. And then my professional experience speaks for itself. I've got a lot of years in, so I left it at the bottom. My headshot before and after. Before it wasn't really a headshot. I just took a nice picture in Chicago near the lake. It was in January that year. There was a stick behind me. It wasn't very professional. The after shot's a lot better. It's closer to my face, shows me smiling without my glasses, but I do wear glasses, but um, it kind of highlights your eyes when you take them off. I think it's a much better headshot than prior. My ecosystem. The significant changes to my ecosystem um, include social media followers. I've got more followers on my LinkedIn account, especially since I've tweaked it, made some differences in it. Had more followers, more people reach out. My professional associates have increased. I continually look for businesses to help through my key accounts program at work and implementing a lot of things I've learned in my branding class here has helped. It's helped grow professional associates significantly. Pretty soon I'll be adding more alumni. I'm real proud of that. I'm glad I'm graduating. I'm graduating with honors, so that's something that I really, really am proud of. My positioning statement, key changes. I focused on billing company for my first positioning statement. My final positioning statement focuses on what I really want. I really want to lead a team, and that's the statement that I want to share now. As you can see, my target audience is for me to land the job I want. I must target the department management and human resources department. The problem statement. I'm looking for a company that needs an experienced, well-rounded leader. That's the type of company I want to work for. The category, I'm an experienced business professional that is eager to take on a leadership role. My value proposition, my work experience and education gives me the tools necessary to help a team reach their fullest potential. I want to motivate, push a team, be with the team through the downs and all the ups to reach goals set by ourselves and by the company. My competitive differentiation, what sets me apart from the other applicants, is I have the drive to motivate others and to succeed. My summary. Personal branding has opened my eyes to what I could achieve through developing and working towards a set goal in an organized way. I have learned, most importantly, what I have to offer and who I am. I've learned that I want to offer my services to, how I want to offer my services, and how to present my brand to achieve my goals. This is important on how you present your brand, how you present who you are. And this really was something that stuck with me through this course. I thank you, Professor Letterman, for this course, and I appreciate all the time you put into making it. Thanks.